Dance live at altitude indoor trampoline park, Damusa, Davao City. Yeah, Sydney 10 and Amber Pit live na live dito sa altitude. Wow, wow, gymnast, oh, galing. Galing ah. Yan. May basketball din dyan ah. Gusto mo basketball, mayroong basketball. Gusto mo boxing, mayroong punching bag doon. May punching bag. Ayan. Ayan ah. Be mindful of your co-passengers. Don't touch, climb, and then on it inside the flight. Okay. Punta tayo ng kaya. Ito, gymnastic. Nag-train siya. Nag-train siya. Hi, Brissy Joyce. Thank you. Oh, galing. Oh. Brissy Joyce, thank you sa palibre kay Sipnitan at saka kay Amber Pete. Gymnast, gymnast mo. Wow. Perfect landing. Perfect landing. Saan yung Buddha? Saan yung Buddha? Paano yung basketball, sir? Oh, ay, natuwa. Tuwa na isa kon. Sige lang. Ay, thank you, sir. Chat ako dyan. Ay, doon lang ako. Dito sa mga practice. Dyan lang. Mag-live ako, mag-live. Live na live. Paano si Amber tsaka si Kwan, no? Si Amber sa seat, no? Live, nagay muna ito sa Live pa rin kami, live. Pero mag-ano ako basketball muna. Ayan. Basketball! Hangak. Chat-chat kami ni ano. Ah, ah, Chat-chat kami. Amber. Ulo. Slide siya. Okay na, okay. You go there, you go there. Oh, you go there. Oh, careful, careful. Pawisan na sa contest. Wala eh. Aray, cellphone ni sa akong place. Sa akong bag. Aray, yan isang kwan. Yan isa tong tigbantay diri. Ipakunik niya lang ko sa kwan. Anong tawag yan eh? Kanang titiring. Kaya wala ko dita. Hangak. Ayan. Ayan, live na live si Amber. Ay, careful Amber. Pamayatin si Amber. Are you tired? Are you tired? Sid is very tired. Oh, yeah, until 5:15 p.m. Oh, until 5:15 p.m. Oh, Amber still running. Are you good here? Are you what? So there. Amber, come here. Come here. Are you tired? Sit, sit tired now. Already tired na sit neta now. You, bring the ball in there. Amber. Lizzie Joyce is watching. Amber, Lizzie Joyce is watching. Amber, Lizzie Joyce is watching. And also your mom. Ayun na. Ayun na sit. Hindi ano ng aircon. Hindi makaya ng aircon. Hindi makaya ng aircon. Yan ang sit. Si Amber naman dito sa kabila. Grabe. Ayun na sit. Relax na si Seth, relax. Pagod. Hangak. Ari. Hala, doon sila. Yeah? I want to play a Melo. Your phone is here. Just play. Amber. Nangis ito ko bula. Ito katong mayangin. Nakita kong soldier na ako, na frozen. Amber, come here. Come here. Come to near to sit. Here, come here. Amber, come here. Ito lang ang activities dito. Yung mga balls, may punching bag, mayroong ayun, pwede ka mag-basketball, may bola na parol, ayan. Yan lang ang mga activities dito. Altitude. So, ang nabayaran namin, kasali ako kasi guardian. 18 years old si Seth, pwede na. Sobra Sobra 1K ang nabayaran. Amber naman siya, Amber. Thank you, Blessed Joyce and Kiki. Sila. Oh, you swim, Amber, you swim. You swim in the balls. Oh, shout out. Ini ni Milijo Campo Manarog. Oh. Amber Boxer. Are you tired?
No, who's going?
Oh, we have 30 minutes sleep.
Can I see?
Oh, 30 minutes sleep.
Can I see?
No, no more CC. Just play. Oh, thank you to Ate Blissy and Kuya Kikin. Shout out kay Insan Lani Jocampo, kay Dr. Jojo Abibon, and Ma'am Evelyn Jocampo Abibon, dyan sa Arakan, sa Abibon Agri Supply. Merry Christmas. Amber, come here. Amber, gusto mo basketball? Basketball player mo siguro ni? Sisit naman. Ayan o, yung gymnast o. Gymnast ko siya. Do not lay down. Just sit and stop. Ayan. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Thank you kay Tita Blessy. Kay Tito Kikim. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tita Blessy
And Uncle Kikim.
Uncle Kikim.
Kay Lola Pane. Lola Bibing. Shout out sa kay paparayan mo kay Doc Jomar Adorable. Shout out. Inilixil na. Sanap. Nag-gymnast sa si Amber. Amber nag-gymnast. Madami na pasok bago. Number. Boxing. Gloves. Salamat po. Diba sir, Inelixel sir? Inelixel. Ayan si Amber. Dapat ni kabitan ni Kuan si Amber. Kung sasakinan pa kanina yung sakay niya. GPS. I will put GPS in your sack. Amber. Hindi lang bata, pati mga adult nagpakabata, oh. Tingnan mo, ayun malalaki, oh. Jump sila, oh. Amber! Amber! Sit! You go home na? You want more? Sige lang, I will take a merinda in Jollibee. O si Amber is there, oh. Amber nag-dive na po sa balls. Hindi na ganahan ni Amber balls. Oh, may nakacharge na si Sid. Okay, swim Amber, swim. Swim in the balls. Kuha na po siya. Amber! No! No! Mukha climbing wall siya mo. Climb siya. Mamayat ka diya. Madam, mamayat ka diya. Ayaw climb ka, mamayat ka dito. Dugay ba yung pagpataba sa imo ha. Pero mamayat ka lang diya. Sa climb. Patagak ka. Are you tired? Are you tired? Not yet. Oh, GPS. Puta na itong GPS. Isit ito ah. Tigisit. Mabawas 1 kilo. Pero Sid, tired na Sid. Are you tired, Sid? Tired na? Go home na? Tired na Sid, oh. Ayan naman yan. Oh, you go there, you go there. At the back of the seat. Oh, you look, see, Kuya Sid, you look, you run. Yeah. Look, Kuya Sid, sige na. Itong gimnasa. Amber, come here. There. Are you hungry? Hungry? That's how she sit. Ayun na po si Amber. You want more? Or we're going to ano na? We're going to take merienda. One more live. 30 minutes.
30th,
Going home na? Not going home na? Want to go home na? Huh? You want to go home na? More play. More play. Amber. Gusto na si Amber siya mag-gymnast. Doon siya nagawa sa gymnast.
water.
What? Oh, later. Kaya because you're kuhan pa. You're tired pa. Later na.
Water.
Yeah, later. Oh, shout out. Boss Robert Hara Kanlog Baraka. Oh, shout out. Yeah, wait. You watch Amber ka na. You watch Amber na. Okay na. Eh, kaligyan mo tubig yan, no? Ako tubig natin. Ay! Okay ka rin sa kaligyan. Huwag na lang din. May mo, palitan sa buhay mo. Buhay mo. Palitan sa buhay. Wala ka tubig na sa bagnawan mo. Amber, oh. Sa gymnast mo siya. Gusto mo na Amber mag-gymnast? Amber, come here! Tingnan ko lang si Amber. Waha! Ito naman. Again. Oh, Amber, nag-guide naman sa swimming ball. Ayun na siya, oh. Grabe. Yung favorite spot ni Amber. Ayan. Hello. Okay, jump. Number. Paborito yung number. Oh, dive number, dive. Dive number, number.
Palit. Wala na ako nag-wait sa buwan.
Ano man?
Sige na.
Ha?
Sige na, sige
Oh, puni akong minute mo. Ba. Ah, dito. Sige na. You drink there. You drink water. Ha? Kainom sila, kainom. Naginom sila, oh. Nag-assist ng ano. Nice na rin mag-climb, oh. Okay, Amber, naginom. Nag-drink pa ng water kay Hiwaw. Hiwaw sila kikapoy. Isentog si Amber. Sila, oh. Nag-haksing sila glove. Oh, Dan! Oh, careful, careful! Oh. Okay kayo. Thank you! Oh, gasis. Gasis kay... Oh, tired? Oh, relax mo. Lagi naman tubig. You want to swim in the swimming pool balls? There? Swimming pool balls? There? You want to swim there? In the swimming pool? Hello. 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 Galit siya sa mga boyfriend nila. Oh. Tak! Enjoy sila. Hindi lang bata, pati malalaki. Kasi si Amber nag-dive naman sa balls. Hala, yung number dive. Oh, nag-swing naman si Amber. Nag-swing. Sit, still jumping. Ito lang ang mga activities, ha. May climbing wall, may basketball, may swing, may slides. Si Amber. Dive. Dive siya. Dive jumper. Si Seth naman nandun. Doon sa kabila si Seth. Feeling mo nun daw. Wala na. Tabunan na si Amber. Pati dalaga. Tabunan. Catch. Ay! Sisit, pahinga. Harapan ng electric fan. Sinap? Okay na? Okay na? Sit? Okay na? Okay na? It's okay? Oh, you box first. You practice boxing. Boxing naman na sila. What? You box like this, oh. Sit, you box like this, oh. You box like this, oh. Pa, pa, pa. Lip, yeah. Jab, lip, jab. Oh yeah. You get the water there. Yeah, you box pack, kaliwa, left, right, box, left, right, box. Okay. You kick like this, oh. Okay. You kick like this, oh. So. Okay. Now you kick like that. Okay. Kickboxing. Okay. Oh, I'm tired. You're now a licensed boxer. You're now a licensed boxer. Okay. You box more box, more pants. Enough. Tired na siya. Tired na, bless. Tired na. Si Amber na gano'n, nag-drink ng water. Drink water naman si Amber. Nato si Amber. Papaboxing naman si Amber, maboxing. Amber wants to box. Amber wants to box.
Can I record myself?
No. Okay. Okay.
I record.
You want to record or ano?
Let's go to the arcade.
What?
Let's go to the arcade.
Where?
Downstairs.
Oh, no more. Ah, there's a cave?
Arcade.
There? Where? Where? No. Nothing. No. No more cave. Yeah, just watch. Ato naman siya. Kuha naman. Yung malalaki o dalaga. Ayan sila. Laro sila. Oh. Kasi ko naman si Amber naman. Si Amber. Amber want to swing. Sila ni Mamo. Laro din sila Mamo. Hala. Oh, careful, Amber, careful. So hanggang dito na lang ano namin kasi time na kami. Time na kami. So hanggang dito na lang. No? Ito yung altitude and live na live tayo dito ngayon. Ayan. Altitude indoor trampoline park.
Let's
What?
go there. Let's go there.
Yeah, you go there. You go there.
No, you.
Yeah, yeah. Ito, gawas mo yung English na to ni Amber. Ani? Nose bleeding tayo. Careful, careful. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, you go there, you go there. Ayan o. Oh, gymnast o. Live by gymnast. Wa, ayan. Look, Amber, oh, observe, oh. Look, oh. Look, ate. Oh, nice, oh. Oh, one. Wow, nice landing. Oh, yeah, you can do that. Oh, you ask your mommy to hire a coach, a trainer. Ayan. Ah, parang di na gusto muli. Hindi na gusto muli. Hanggang dito na lang live namin sa sa Altitude Indoor Trampoline. Thank you sa aming sponsor sa kay US Navy Mikey Bahaw Labrado and sa aming nurse dyan sa US si Blessy Joyce Jocampo Labrado. Dito na lang. Yeah, God bless. Bye bye.